to use, easy to maintain, easy to own. The highly fuel-efficient and productive LiuGong 922E is packed with benefits. Here's the top 10. We put the operator first with a spacious and pressurized ROPS cabin offering excellent visibility and all-around climate control. To maximize productivity, we've made it easier to break tough ground with 4.7% higher bucket tear-out force than industry average. The 2.76-meter upper frame with near-centralized boom position provides a robust structure for powerful digging. Our automatic boost function increases performance, helping the operator break tough ground by automatically increasing the system pressure by 8.7% when needed. An advanced and intelligent hydraulic system using oil regeneration and flow confluence delivers faster cycle times. At the heart of the 922E beats a 6.7-litre Cummins engine, delivering high output torque at low engine speeds. Consumable or maintenance parts like filters are positioned close to the bay doors, providing safe and easy access for speedy maintenance. With up to 14% higher lifting capacity than the industry average, you can also choose buckets with a higher fill factor to move more material faster. No matter how tough the job, the large single-phase cooling pack provides efficient performance whilst being easy to clean. With a Cummins engine, the 922E uses world-class components. In this short video, we've only focused on 10 great ways in which the 922E delivers on the job site and the bottom line. For the whole story, visit our website.